Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid Tint. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate it. To see inside the driver and passenger, so it could be a bit risk to have all your windows tinted, and so you don't want to have all your windows tinted that dark. But some people still do it though. So you know, but overall, I mean, the window tint that I got looks great. I got it in the San Jose area, and this is how it looks like in the windshield, and this is how it looks like on the driver's side, of course, up close. Okay, so hopefully this helps you out a little bit. And the shades come in 5, 15, 30, 35, 40, and 50. Just want to mention that 5 to 50, you could get this different tint. That's the video. Hope you like it. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.